Welcome students. Today I will solve the last 3 sums of the chapter partnership of Board's book of class 10. Let's start with sum number 13. 3 artists, they took a loan of rupees 1 lakh from a bank, and their contract was such that after giving the yearly installment of rupees 28,100, the remaining profit, the half of the remaining profit they will share in the ratio of their working days, and the remaining half they will divide equally among themselves. There are 3 of them. They will divide equally among themselves. In a year they had a profit of rupees 1,39,100. Now, which friend will get how much? That is the question. Now, first friend, in that year, first friend worked 300 days, second friend worked for 275 days, and third friend worked for 350 days. So the ratio of their working days is like this. First friend is to second friend is to third friend, equal to 300 is to 275 is to 350. 25 is the LCM. So if we divide each term of the ratio by 25, we will get 12 is to 11 is to 14. Total profit was rupees 1,39,100, and yearly installment is rupees 28,100. So after paying the installment in the bank, money left with them is rupees 0,00111. 1,11,000 was left with them. Half of this, that means rupees 1,10,000 by 2, that means rupees 5, 2 5s are 10, 111, 2 5s are 10, 1 5, rupees 55,500. So 1 rupees 55,500 will be divided among 3 friends equally, and another rupees 55,500 will be divided among them in the ratio of their working days. So from one part, each of them will get how much? First, second and third. First friend will get 55,500 by 3. That means rupees 18,500. Second friend will also get this, rupees 18,500, and third friend will also get this, that means rupees 18,500. So from 55,500, each one will get rupees 18,500, and from the remaining 55,500, what will be the share of the first friend? His proportional part from this 55,500 is very clearly 12 by 12 plus 11 plus 14. Now 12 plus 11 plus 14 is 37. So from here, first friend will get 55,500 into 12 by 37. Now let me do one thing. 37, since it's a prime number, let me divide 55,500 by 37. So when I divide 55,500 by 37, 31's 7's are 37, 18, 185, 5, 185, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 1500 is the quotient. So 1500 into 12, that means rupees 18,000. From these rupees 55,500, second friend will get how much? His proportional part from this portion of the profit was 11 by 37. So again we will get 1500 when we divide 55,500 by 37. So second friend will get rupees 1500 into 11. That means rupees 16,500. And third friend will get, very clearly, third friend will get rupees 1500 into 14. So third friend will get rupees 1500 into 14. That means rupees 21,000. So first friend, total profit of first friend will be sum of these two, rupees 18,500 plus rupees 18,000. That means rupees 36,500. Total profit of second friend will be rupees 18,500 plus rupees 16,500. That means rupees 35,000. And total profit of the third friend will be rupees 18,500 plus rupees 21,000. That means rupees 39,500. So these are the answers. It is 36,500. Second friend's profit is rupees 35,000 and third friend will get rupees 39,500.